So here we are, end of November, putting the yard to bed for the winter. I've done the final mow using my fantastic Ryobi 40-volt lithium single point mower. It's a pretty cool little deal. It gets the job done. I set the mower to its lowest setting, 1.5 inches, and did the whole yard until the battery died, which was right over there at the end. I have a 1/3 of an acre lot here that I take care of with this little thing, and usually the battery lasts for the entire yard, but since I mowed it so low today, it used a little more battery and didn't quite make it till the end. But this is a prep video for how to prevent snow mold in the spring. So what I'm going to do is take some baking soda and sprinkle it all around in various patterns, so it'll be super obvious if it prevented snow mold in spots or not. Oh, the other thing I did this mow was bag and compost all of my debris, because if you mulch debris this time of year, it just sits and gives snow mold more of a chance to get growing. So this is actually perfect. There's a little section of the yard that didn't get mowed. That's still got all the leaf blades and whatnot from all spring and summer sitting over there. So it'll probably be a snow mold infestation in this part of the yard come spring. And the rest should be pretty clear, but I'm going to put baking soda down in all 4 quadrants of my backyard and my front yard as well. So it'll be super clear if it works or not. Signing off for the winter. See you in the spring. Hey there, YouTube fans. This is a follow-up video from the one I took last fall regarding the last mow of the year to prevent snow mold. This wasn't a horrible year for snow mold, nothing like the year before. There have been a few properties I've seen with mold growing in the lawn, but for the most part it's been pretty clear everywhere. I haven't seen so much as a single blade of snow mold in my own lawn. This is all just dead grass, but there's no snow mold on it. So, not a great year to finish up the experiment. Maybe I'll do it again. Maybe not. We shall see. But so far, the lawn looks great for spring. It is currently middle of April, and the lawn started growing a month ago, so it was really early. But here we are. This is where we used to have a fire pit. That's why it's so sparse right there. We took that fire pit out. We're going to put in a new one over there once we finish getting the bed put in and a few other yard projects done. So subscribe to the channel and watch us transform this yard into a gorgeous northwestern oasis. We'll have a fire pit there. We're going to have grapes all along the back fence, along with other food plants. I just planted the fruit trees. These are the ones I got from Costco. There'll be another video coming about how to plant those. And you know, you get what you pay for. They were only less than $20 a piece, so not great trees, but we'll see how well they grow in future years. And on that note, have a great day, and I will see you in the garden.